Hindi ko nadala yung ano, stand ng cellphone.
But scale, like
ang lalaki ng mga German, no? Yeah. Yes. Ayan guys, andito na kami sa may Wanchai. Hindi ko na kinover yung buong lakad. Excuse me, sorry. Nakakapagod. So there are our groups. They are here. They are from different countries, German, UK, China. We also have from Philippines. Some of them is from Philippines as well. All those people are from different countries. From different countries of the world. They came from different countries. Dito kami sa Wanchai. Walking again, guys! Ayan, nakatuloy kami kung saan kami dalahin ang aming mga paa. No, because you need to guide me. Nagkaintindihan na kayo. Kung halitin mo, magpatakas mo. My God! Oh, see, it's okay lang. Why now? It's okay lang. Parang hindi niya acceptable yung ganun. Yeah, parang ayaw niya. Okay, sure. Ayan guys, walang katapusang lakad ang mangyayari for today's vlog. We need to walk like 1.5 hours or more. So, we need to follow them. Madami kami guys, to be honest. Nandun pa yung iba sa huli. Ayan guys, dito kami ngayon napadaan sa may Botanical Garden. Nandun na yung grupo sa unahan. Yung iba nasa likuran. Ang init. Kahit na makulimlim yung panahon. Ang init sa pakiramdam, to be honest. Kasi mga isang oras mahigit na kami naglalakad. Yeah. Ang init nga. Grabe.
Number 17 is Slotfish Tor.
What a great name!
What kennel are you from?
Guys, I know some of you have got to check out hotel stuff. We're going to have a very, very, very short circle, maybe just 10 minutes, and then you can go and do your checkout before 12, right? Master line, caramel, show us dog. It's your circle. I think you want to do a down for the